Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching the previous video po na ginawa ko. I'm sorry for if it was long, but I hope that you would be able to learn something regarding the steps on applying for NCLEX-RN exams. Link below po. And today, I'm going to discuss something about how to prepare for your NCLEX exam. So, yun. I had here a list of the things that you need to know before you prepare for your NCLEX exam. So, after you receive your authorization to test, then this is the high time for you to start preparing. Actually, kahit hindi mo pa na-receive yung authorization to test nyo, I would recommend that you start to scan your books to gather materials. And how to prepare for your NCLEX exams. Sa exam ng NCLEX, you cannot say that it's difficult. You cannot say that it is easy. But one thing for sure, sabi nga nila, failing to prepare is preparing to fail. So we have to prepare enough before our NCLEX-RN exams day. So what are the things that I need to do? Saan ako magsisimula? Number one, you have to gather your review materials. So there are a lot of resources online, sa Facebook group page, and even in Google, that you would be able to get a soft copy of those or buy those review materials. Pero depende ito sa iyo kung ano yung mas user-friendly para sa iyo. So, I'm not going to recommend any books, but for me, I use Saunders because that's the same review material that we used during my college days. That is why I chose that para mas mabilis yung pag-absorb ko. So, whether it's a software or hard copy, you can buy it online. So, yung review book mo dapat dalawa siya. Isang comprehensive at saka isang question and answer. Yung comprehensive, it encompasses all the subjects that you have to review sa lahat ng topics ng nursing exams. The other one is question and answer, also for NCLEX review. But this question and answer is all about meron siyang books and then meron din siyang online access. So you can make the feel kung paano mag-take ng exams online. And then supplement your review books. Gaya ng sinabi ko, you have a comprehensive, you have online Q&A, NCLEX exams, and supplement it with the YouTube resources. So ginawa ko dati, nakinig ako sa YouTube videos. I'm gonna link below si NCLEX-RN.com. She's very good. She's very direct to the point, that walang paligoy-ligoy yung explanation niya. And I was able to understand the topic that I'm reading on that particular day, just listening to her. At saka, ito pang nakita ko na if you review your exams, you are actually teaching yourself. So when you teach yourself, make sure na meron kang sarili mong notebook, and then you have to write or summarize the things that you understand from the comprehensive book, and even in the discussion sa YouTube channel na sinasabi ko, nare-recommend ko. After gathering your review materials, you have to plan your leave, or to get enough time, in order for you to get enough time to review, and ask for leave of absence as much as possible kung papayagan kayo ng institution ninyo or ng current na trabaho ninyo ngayon. So, it is a very important that you have enough time to review before your NCLEX exams, kasi yung output ng review mo, yun ang magsasabi if you will pass or you will fail. It's not about the quantity of time you spent in reviewing, but it's more about the quality. So, after you plan your leave and you get enough time to review prior to your exams, number 3, you have to organize your study time. So, nag-gather mo na yung things na kailangan mo. You have already asked for a leave for you to prepare for the exams. And now, you have to organize your study time. So, how are we going to organize our study time? Organizing study time, I would suggest that you have to first check the table of contents of your comprehensive review book. Tapos, i-assess mo sa sarili mo saan ka mas nahihirapan. Either is it cardio, endocrine, fluids and electrolytes, or probably maternal and child health. Dun yung Waterloo mo. Kung doon ka nahihirapan, yun ang unahin mong i-review. And then, you have to plot which subject are you going to start and how much time do you need to finish it. Kasi may, sa libro kasi, lalo na sa comprehensive, may per topic yan. So, not all the topics has a sure. May siguro aabot ng 20-30 pages, yung iba 50 pages. You have to assess yourself how much time do you need for you to understand the entirety of that particular topic. And then i-plot mo yun sa iyong study guide para hindi ka mag-over, para ma-maximize mo yung time at leave plan na binigay sa'yo ng company, no? And then, once you have determined kung saan ka magsisimula, kung anong topic ka magsisimula, yun din ang gawin mong supplementary pag nanonood ka ng YouTube. Say, for instance, you started with nephrology. So, nephrology topic. So, if you are tired reading, you have to start watching na rin sa YouTube, same as nephrology. Kasi the more senses you use on studying, the more yung retention is mas matagal sa'yo. And then, supplement your day rin for answering Q&A questions. Pwedeng 100 questions online, practice questions online a day, 50 sa umaga, 50 sa gabi, or 75 sa umaga and 25 sa gabi before ka matulog. Pwede mong gawin yun. But you have to make sure that you read all the rationals, whether tama or mali yung ginawa mo, in order for you also to build your stamina and answering the exams. Because for NCLEX-RN exams, your exams might take 75 questions up to 250 questions. I'm not sure if updated yan ngayon. Sabi nila, may nagsasabi na up until 150 questions na lang daw. But then again, every question counts, so you have to make sure that you're answering the best answer doon, lalo na pag mga select all that apply questions. Yun ang pinaka-difficult part. And then, number 4, habit modification. So, when I say habit modification, you have to check sa 24 hours mo kung saan ka mas nakaka-absorb ng mga binabasa mo. So, it's about quality. So, you have to assess yourself. Sa akin dati, I started to sleep as early as 5 p.m. And then, nagising ako ng 2 a.m. 2 a.m., I will just make my coffee and then start answering 100 questions. After 100 questions, I'll take my I'll review for my rational. After that, drain na naman ako. So I'll go out, get my breakfast, have a jogging. Mag-jog ako with the audiobook on with me. And then after my breakfast, I'll take a short nap. Give yourself a nap. 10 to 15 minutes, i-alarm mo lang sarili mo. That's already big help. Kasi kapag wala ka nang ma-absorb, it doesn't make sense for you to continue studying. You have to take a nap. And our brain cells need that para makapagpahinga and to get much more oxygen. And you also have to identify the things. Is still under habit modification. You have to identify the things that will steal your time, like social media and other procrastinating habits. Maybe not only social media, but if you are fond of probably playing Mobile Legends or ba sinabi ko? Any other games or anything that takes your time from your goal. So, it is very important, nakikita nyo na dapat organize ka sa pag-review mo para meron kang sariling goal at kailangan mong ma-achieve yun. And just to give you also an insight, so what had happened during my review 2017, I was really crying myself like 2-3 days before the exams kasi hindi ko pa natatapos yung dapat kong tapusin. So I was crying kasi I really need to finish and understand everything. Kasi kapag hindi ko natapos, ibig sabihin there's a big that will increase my anxiety because there would be a big possibility that baka yung hindi ko nabasa or hindi ko naintindihan sa comprehensive book would yun ay lalabas, di malaki na ang talo mo. Say for instance, ang nakuha mo lang na goal sa comprehensive exams is yung 90% lang ang nabasa mo at naintindihan mo. Tapos paano pag yung 10% ang lalabas? So, di talo ka na. So, I really thank God that I was able to finish the study plan that I had before my exams. And then you have to pray for guidance and you have to surround yourself with positive, encouraging people, because this is the most difficult part of taking your journey to taking your NCLEX-RN exams. It's not the day of the exam itself, but yung journey ng pag-review mo for NCLEX exams. There's no way for you to fail. So if you don't want to fail, you have to start doing the things that I've shared earlier. So just a recap, you have to gather your review materials. You have to plan your leave. You have to organize your study time. You have to modify your habits. And you have to pray for guidance and surround yourself with encouraging people at this battle, masasabi nating battle of your life. At for more videos, please click like and subscribe, and I'm going to share more nursing related videos on the next coming days. Have a good day.